Allah is telling me that sometimes I see my disobedient child, my son who talks back to me, my daughter who doesn't even say wa alaikum assalam, my grandkids who've forgotten about me, my spouse who disrespects me and complains about me to others. He sees all of that, and I see a problem. But you know, even in the most difficult relationships, there is a ni'mah, and that ni'mah, the blessing, is not coming from them. That blessing can only come from Allah. What's coming from them is something hurtful. But behind that something hurtful, there's a greater wisdom. And in that wisdom, that ni'mah can only come from Allah. So Allah didn't just say, وَبِالنِّعْمَةِ هُمْ يَكْفُرُونَ. He said, وَبِنِعْمَةِ اللَّهِ هُمْ يَكْفُرُونَ. He attributed the ni'mah to Himself. He didn't attribute the ni'mah to them, to Himself. So I need to now start thinking deeper about difficult conversations I have in my family, difficult situations I have to deal with. And so we're going to take a step back and say, change our worldview a little bit about our own family. Because this ayah is about our extended family. In fact, most people, when they have complaints in their life, other than financial or health complaints, if they have complaints about human beings in their life, they're probably human beings in their own family. Like, that's where most of our drama exists. This is where most of our stress comes from.